So let us read the instructions for step number 8. Okay. So here it tells us that we need to insert a new row 6 with the row title East and the following sales figures for each quarter. Okay. So what you're going to do, you will keep on coming back to this. I'm just going to copy this, paste it on our working document. Okay, copy that, go back to your working document. They said we need to insert a new row 6. Okay, so just highlight this entire row. To highlight the entire row, just move your cursor to the number 6 and then you click this is you left click. Okay, left click, then it gets highlighted, then you go to your insert. Okay, this is in your home tab. Click on insert, a new row 6 will appear. Okay, they gave you the title. They said we need to change this to East. Just type East and then you start pasting the figures. Okay, to paste them here. Mesh destination formatting. Okay, you'll notice my system doesn't use the full stop or your period to separate decimals to the what to the other parts of your number. Okay, so just change this to what instead of full stop, change this to comma, then click enter. You see, now it's correctly formatted. Okay, then go back to your working document. But if your system is using full stop, there is no need to actually change that. Okay, I'm only changing because my system separates decimals using what comma. That's how we do things in South Africa. Okay, in countries like I said Botswana, they use full stop. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do this for all these figures. Just keep on going back, copy, pasting, changing. Okay. Okay. Uh, don't forget to change these to. Okay. Then we need to. Okay, sorry. We need to go back one more time. Copy this. Copy, paste. Okay. Then you change this. Okay. Okay. Change this. Okay. So after changing everything here for quarter 1 all the way to the 4th quarter, you're supposed to copy the equation here or the formula by doing the same thing, dragging this down. Okay, then you see it changed. Okay, so now we basically done with step number 8. Let me confirm though. They said we need to copy the formula in cell F5 down to cell F6 to sum the new row. Okay, so we're basically done with step number 8. Let us move on now to step number 9.